Online.
And the result
On the
stands,
finish line.
I guess.
Yeah. Have you Googled
my
it?
God.
A jockey. He's had a
gonna
heart
Google
attack
it.
during the race.
I'm sure you're making that up. I'm going to Google it. I'm going to Google it
It's
right
no
now.
April Fool, Georgie. It's
Okay.
true.
Well, that's true because April Fool was indeed last Sunday. Chelsea West Ham preview up next.
In 1979, Andreas Mihavec went 18 days without food and water, setting a world record that still stands today. If, like our good friend Andreas, you enjoy enduring hours of hunger and thirst, then flying on a low-cost airline is just the ticket. If, however, you'd prefer a chilled glass of Chilean Sauvignon Blanc, a 3-course meal, award-winning entertainment and a cosy blanket, we now have the perfect option for you. New Virgin Atlantic Economy Light. Everything you'd expect from a great flight at a price you wouldn't.
Terms and conditions apply. Visit virginatlantic.com to book.
He's spotted an opening and he's going for it. He's gone to Now TV. He's lining up a Sky Sports Day Pass. Oh, what about that? Chelsea v West Ham and Arsenal v Southampton streaming live today for just $7.99.
Barbecue. Take the
Money back as a free bet on all losing, goal scorer, correct score and what odds Paddy markets. Paddy Power, home of the money back special. Available on April the 10th on selected markets only. Match refund £10. T's and C's apply. 18+BGambleAware.org.
He's the multimedia Adonis of the auto